This is why you need better time management. Imagine finishing your to-do list by lunch. Sounds magical, right? It's not magic, it's time management. Let's dive into 3 simple hacks that'll transform your workday. First up, prioritization. Not all tasks are created equal. Use the Eisenhower matrix to sort your tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither. Focus on what truly matters and watch your productivity soar. Next, batching. Multitasking is a myth. Instead, group similar tasks together. For example, set aside specific times for checking emails, making phone calls, and doing deep work. This helps you stay in the zone and minimize switching costs. Finally, the magic of focus. Distractions are productivity's worst enemy. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Rinse and repeat. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish with uninterrupted focus. And there you have it. Prioritize, batch, and focus your way to a more productive workday. Think of how much more you'll achieve and how much sooner you'll clock out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on boosting your productivity and making the most out of your day. See you next time.